Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I don't have an intro for these vlogs, and I don't think I'm gonna do my brother's cutout. Am I obsessed? Yeah, I am. I'm not gonna really do an intro for these vlogs, I don't think, so just shut up. But I was watching TV. I'm getting ready to start setting up my crate and stuff. I actually got a good amount of stuff from my little registry for my puppy. So that's the crate. I bought the crate. I didn't really expect anybody to buy the crate either. It was expensive. There were a lot of, I'm getting ready, you see, it's a mess. There are a lot of things on there that are just for me, so whatever I didn't get as a gift, because no one's obligated to buy me anything, but I thank those who did. I just wanted to make sure it was there for me, so we're gonna get ahead and start setting that up. It is the 28th right now. This vlog is gonna be like different days and different parts, because I still have yet to have a confirmation that I'm gonna pick him up on the 2nd like I was told, so we're gonna figure it out. And you guys know I'm leaving on the 5th, so I need to get him before I leave, get him settled, and my brother would take over. But yeah, let me just rearrange this so we could get started on the setup. I look like this in the house, so don't worry about it. I'm not getting dressed. I'm wearing sweatpants. I'm just chilling in like regular clothes, sweatpants. This is me in the house, glasses, hair tied. These little dots are actually the Mario Badescu drying lotion, because I saw some pimples coming in. I need my face to be clear. Again, going on vacation, I can't have that. Are there a lot of dots? Yeah. Because any tiny little pimple, I'm ready to get rid of it. But I'm going to put the camera on my ring light, and we're going to get ready to get my baby settled. So I'm finally finished with the crate. It is a little too high for a little baby puppy. So I might go ahead and take the wheels off. It's this double-decker thing. It's supposed to be escape-proof. Can I fit in there? Absolutely. Will he need a bigger bed when he gets bigger? Of course. He's gonna be a growing dog. But and his little toy box is in there. You guys can see his little toy box. See how it's just a little bit too high? I may take the wheels off. It'll bring him closer to the ground. I think that's probably going to be best. I'm exhausted from setting this. I should just get in here. I'm exhausted from setting this up. It is very, very heavy. Very heavy. The wheels lock, so it's really good quality. My concern is that I think I'll wait till I grab him to see if this is a little too high for his little legs, because he's not that small. But look, this toy box, super cute, came with the toys. Thanks again, Marissa. We have a little Carol. We have some teething rings. We have some squeaking toys. But why will he need a bell? Because that is going to get on my nerves. But I'm going to teach him how to use it anyway. But that's it. That's day one. I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys just on pickup day. That's better. I'm so sleepy. I'm sorry. I've been so exhausted all day for no reason, and I slept through the new year. It's January 1st, guys. Happy New Year. As I let you guys know in my previous video, yes, this is how I look in my house, so please be best. I look nice tomorrow. Decent. I look decent tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 2nd, and I did get the confirmation that I will be picking up my puppy tomorrow. Between 12 and 4. I'll know for sure at 11 o'clock. Just to update you guys. Everything's all set up. I don't know how I'm editing this, but he's good. His crate is set up. He has a little wee pad station, even though I'm not even gonna try to have him pee in the house. None of that. He will be going to the bathroom outside. We're gonna go on walks, long walks to the fridge, preferably. But I'm exhausted. Everything's set up, and I am excited that he is coming. So just to do this part with you guys, I have a fortune cookie. Oh! She's So all my other fortune cookie fortunes have been trash. Like, don't motivate me. Don't uplift me. Don't yes queen me. Just don't. But as you guys know, a few things. I pick him up tomorrow the 2nd. I leave on the 5th, so I do need to get him settled, and that was a big concern for me, because I was told that they would know more about confirmed pickup date the day before, which is like, arrangements have to be made, so it's kind of annoying, but I have to trust the process, trust everything, trust God. And you know, that's fine. I did have Raccoon. He's supposed to be coming with me. If he's not, then you know, it is what it is. But I am trying to get the process, maybe the drive, the pickup, first reactions. I'm trying to get it out for you guys. And then hopefully my little baby can get a little cameo in my Gality video that I do have to film before I leave. You guys will know when you see it in the playlist. It's number 11, y'all. It's almost been a year and it's insane. But are things a lot better? Yeah. Is my head a little today? Yes. But I can't take it earlier, which is what I'm going to do so I don't have to bring it with me on the ship. Even though like a cruise, background will go crazy. Am I gonna vlog on the trip? Probably. I'm gonna look up their rules, see if I can. But wow, just want a quick check-in with y'all because I'm actually gonna wait something tomorrow because I know oh, here we go. Before we go, because I know I look like shit. Anyway, practice good posture for better health and confidence. See, this is what I mean. I want a fortune, not life advice. So here's his crate. It's huge, but he's not going to be a small dog. It's just a bed in there. He has like some wee pads up there, which a blanket, then like my couch cover. Very, very spacious. We have here, we have his toys. We have like the groomer that I got, a harness when he's bigger, a leash, and the parts for that vacuum grooming too. But it is really good, really sturdy, escape proof. He has more than enough space to grow in it. And yeah, it's a bed. His bed's probably obviously gonna get bigger, and you can leave it open pretty easily and it'll stay. So if the camera's wobbly, that's me. Shut up, y'all. Look who's here, guys. Okay, so it is pickup day. I'm waiting for the call for the exact time and the location. What are you doing? And the location to get my sweet baby. My little child, my baby. I was actually gonna wear a different outfit, but I realized that I wore it in the last vlog that I shared when I went to puppy yoga, and I didn't want y'all to think I was dirty and I had no clothes. But we are starving, so we're gonna run to Five Below so I can use a discount. We're gonna stop at McDonald's and we're gonna get some stuff, so we're gonna take you guys with us.
Wait, I wanna tell a story. When she said she got a dog, I thought she stole the dog from puppy yoga. So, yeah.
So this is what he thinks. This is what he thinks of me. Stole it. Oh, no. Tell them that when you told someone that I want to take you to puppy yoga. Go ahead.
I told somebody, I was like, oh, my cousin's trying to take me to puppy yoga. And their response was, is she a dog? And I said, huh? Because they were dead serious. And they said it again, doubled down. And I was like, I'm just gonna start over.
Anyway, here's my cup that I got for Christmas. It's so me. Alright, we're gonna go because I'm actually hungry and
my stomach's growling.
Oh my god, this high quality H2O. There we go. First of all, if you guys could see how it is in the car, give me my nuggets. We needed to get something to eat. We were fucking starving. I just need a snack.
Welcome to our mukbang.
He's like, are you on a diet? And I said, first of all, I have real food at home. I just want something right now. Give me my sauce.
Girl. Oh. There's one.
Whatever. So one time I got 10-piece nuggets. Shh. And the girl asked me, she's like, oh, what kind of sauce you want? And I was like, I usually get the tangy thangy. That's the tangy barbecue. Well, I get home and she gave me a, this is wet down there.
Okay, it's already
Didn't
there.
pick it up.
It's already there.
I get home and there's just a bag of ketchup. Like an extra bag with just ketchup in it instead of my barbecue sauce.
She thought that was tangy.
She played me. No, she knew it was tangy barbecue. Alright, so we're just gonna eat before we go into Five Below. I feel like why not? Get a little extra. How long should vlogs be? We were just asking that question because we don't know.
Comment down below. Wait.
Because I have lots of... That way. Because I have lots of footage from this, like setting up... Maybe not setting up the crate, but opening you guys' gifts. Thank you so much again for sending things from my list. I guess I can still put the list down below if you guys want to say anything else. You don't have to, of course, but I don't know how long vlogs should be. Raccoon was saying some people like long vlogs, but then...
I like a long vlog as long as it stays on topic.
Yeah, this is one topic, y'all, I swear.
Like sometimes I've watched a vlog and it's like, oh, my holiday party, but it starts out with things that are not about the holiday party.
I don't know.
And the holiday party is the last 2 minutes.
So, I also don't know if I want to do like parts. I don't know. I'm gonna do my best to get it. I'm gonna say 25 minutes. Is that long?
No, I think that's a good amount of time.
Y'all gonna be liking, commenting, and subscribing anyway. So y'all should do that. Here's your reminder to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely like it. Cause the number of views I get versus the likes is like, why y'all move like that? But we're not gonna just be chomping in your faces the whole time, so.
We're not.
We'll show you guys. When we get into Five Below, we'll walk around. I'm leaving it in.
Oh my god, my pants almost fell off.
Hey guys.
Hi. Where we going? The pet section. They don't got no product.
Huh?
They don't got no product.
Okay, but
I wish I could have an empty
the show
table.
has rats. Y'all Five Below has rats. You took a bag.
Ooh, you want one of these?
For what? I am a
For where's the?
Should I ask her if she's
Oh,
home?
it's right here. Oh my god, there's so many burps, y'all. I'm so sorry. You want the gravity food dispenser or you want something else?
What is the gravity? Oh, no, I want like a store.
And they got this for drinking on the go.
Yeah, that's on my list.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna say just grab it.
You can make it taller, you know?
I'm taller.
No, not with those.
No, I got regular shoes on.
Oh, this is also on my list.
You want a cat grass kit?
Do I
You don't have a cat.
Thank you. I just feel like this isn't a good fit. It's just gonna get wet. It's just gonna get wet. Yeah. I mean, the bottom is whatever.
Excuse me, I keep burping on. I'm sorry, y'all.
I just feel like you're not sorry now.
This is a smaller pet section than I have. Do they have a Beyond section? Oh, this is their Beyond section. Oh, there's more pet stuff over there.
I'm gonna have to get the one closest to blue, obviously. 18 pants. That's fine. My dog can get 15.
You want a car seat cover?
I already got one. Citrusha got me one. I'm not
You
making
want a
him
cat
treats.
scratch and post with laser? You want a dog treat maker? You're not gonna make him treats. What kind of mom are you?
Black. I know you guys can't tell right now by my complexion. It's giving racially ambiguous and I don't like it. Alright, I think
That's it?
what batter? That's what I'm saying. Like what?
Like pancake
Do you?
batter?
Are you giving me recipes?
Oh, what's on this side?
Oh, peanut butter pumpkin. Easy. Okay, these are consult your vet. Sorry.
Sorry. You want us to do more work? You want to get him this soccer ball?
He has toys.
Okay, but does he have that soccer ball? What?
What can you put in here?
Pancakes?
No, you can't.
No, you can't.
This is a cookie jar. But this
Ooh,
is
so the cookie from the cookie jar.
This is cute. Look at this.
Baby's got buns. Good.
This is actually not bad.
Oh, it's here. Oh, there's a new heart fridge.
Well, I don't want the one that's open.
Right? Ooh. Put it on the floor. I don't work here.
I'm gonna have to. I don't
Yeah.
want to be dirty. This one is like, the box is torn.
Oh my god, maybe they do have a little class here. They can leave their tech products on the shelf. We can't do that.
Wait, the sound is
She's so strong. That's a strong, independent, racially ambiguous woman.
And I don't want to be, okay? I don't want to be. Unfortunately, I am actually strong. That's the
What is
problem.
a ceramic dumpling pot?
Like, is it a pot for making dumplings?
Yeah,
Or
I don't. He's just
is
holding
it
dumplings.
a dumpling?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
What brother's face?
No. When it came to the store, I was like, what is this for?
It's to terrorize people. I didn't even watch season 2 yet because I can't watch it without Malcolm, and I don't want to get in trouble because I be talking mad shit when he watch anything about me. It's just that the loyalty don't be there.
You know who's in the second season of?
Who?
T.O.P. from Big Bang. I was like, you're an actor now?
I'm getting all this action. Thanks for getting my angles.
Yes. Yes.
What they do?
If you can't talk in this...
We got a time. We're due to pick him up at 2:30, so we're gonna stop and get a Red Bull. And we're gonna go get my
little bear. Folk India. Oh wait, that's not your name on here.
I know my name. Everybody knows my name. Yeah, we're gonna go pick him up.
You look so businessy. Is this the vibe to go get your puppy?
I don't know why. We're in a workout. Look at my fucking skin though. Like, believe me, trust every product that I said to use. But we gotta go because we gotta get the Red Bull.
We gotta get the Red Bull. Talk to them. Tell them where we are.
We're at the pickup spot for said puppy. I'm gonna have to call and see where they are. Okay, I'm in a small silver Honda Civic facing rear vents. Oh,
is this it? We're right next to it. I see his paws.
That's a fit. No, you don't. You said Honda Civic.
Well, why is there a dog in there? Just take that one.
Facing the rear vents.
So we passed him?
It's probably, maybe. I'm gonna go around one more time.
Guys, I saw a dog, I promise.
Let's go. I
hear barking.
Me too, but I don't see
look, there's a dog right there. Why is there dogs everywhere?
I don't know.
Look, that's a dog. It's not the dog, but it's a dog.
Oh, fuck.
She said fuck.
Let me go on my phone. Yes. I don't see the car. Yeah, I'm in a blue Jeep, but I didn't see a Honda Civic. Sure. I'm parked facing, I guess. Sure. Oh, yes, that was it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come over there. I don't know if I see you now. I'm coming.
I was right.
Okay, yeah, I have my cousin so he can... Sure. No, I'm real close.
I was right. I did see his paws. Oh my goodness.
Why are you so excited? Okay. Alright. One more.
We're gonna see Buju.
No. His name is Barris.
Gunga.
Keep pissing me off.
I'm gonna
and you'll be in the
Gunga.
trunk. No.
You're gonna be gone for days.
You're not gonna be home. It's so cute.
Well behaved.
I see it. Oh my god.
You know you have to send me this, right?
Oh yeah,
Yes,
I'll
I
send it
got
to
you.
you. Oh my god. And he smells like baby powder.
Dude, that's giant whole body. What are you talking about? It's expensive stuff.
Oh my god. Do we look alike?
No, he's cute.
Don't piss me off. Alright, let's get in the camera frame. Get in the frame. Oh, no.